The place I was born was filled with joy, now torn. The Cougar River and little streams were all pure, now toxic. The sound of joys now screams out of hate. We're sorry for we are destroying you. You gave us a lot while we're making you look more like a wasteland. This generation is not a fresh hand, means you are not in safe hands. Wake us up before it's late. Was once a beautiful countryside. Construction now in all eye and sight. The sky is filled with smokes. Money is now in everyone's talks. Sorry we aren't eco-friendly. Each one of us with pride, never ego-friendly. This isn't your fate. Paddy fields are all filled with houses. People fighting over a feet-sized land. What we assumed growth is a disgrace. Peace is now just a bubble in air. Dear George Humber, what have we done to you?